Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you how to use the two-phase comparison function in FJD Trion model. First, we import the 2-point clouds that need to be compared. There will be intersections and differences between them. Our goal is to compare the volume difference between the two phases of point cloud data. First, select the 2-point cloud data at the same time and click the two-phase comparison function under the Edit menu. Here we need to determine which point cloud is the data of the first phase. After selecting one, the other defaults to the data of the second phase. Next, choose how to deal with the gaps in the point cloud. In the point cloud data, there will be some empty areas. Here we can choose to leave empty or include the volume of these areas in the calculation by average, maximum or minimum height, and interpolate. Let's take the interpolate method as an example, which will automatically fill the empty point cloud according to the height of the surrounding point clouds. The maximum edge length here refers to the maximum side length of the empty area. We use the distance measurement tool to determine the value. Here it is 7.3 meters. We need to fill in a value greater than 7.3 meters so that this empty area can be filled. We also make the same settings for the second phase of the point cloud. The smaller the step of the grid settings, the more precise the calculation result will be, but the calculation time will be longer. Here we choose the average height, which means that the average height value is selected in the calculation unit of each grid, which will be more accurate. After the settings are completed, click Calculate. After the calculation is completed, we will get the difference between the two data and can export it as a report.